Imagine a vast dark ocean, not of water but of space. On this cosmic sea, a tiny vessel drifts, Voyager 2. Launched in 1977, it was sent from our small blue world to explore the giant planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Voyager 2 revealed swirling storms, intricate rings, and a menagerie of moons, each a world in its own right. Its mission was a triumph of human curiosity and engineering. But the journey didn't end there. Pushed by planetary gravity, Voyager 2 sailed onward, crossing the heliopause in 2018, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. It became the second human-made object to enter the realm of the stars, following its twin, Voyager 1. Now it's a true interstellar traveler more than 20 billion kilometers from home. A message from Voyager 2 takes nearly a day to reach Earth. It is a lonely outpost of humanity, a testament to our desire to explore. Voyager 2 is more than a spacecraft. It's an extension of our senses, a symbol of our relentless quest for knowledge. For nearly half a century, it has been our silent companion on this cosmic journey. Each faint signal is a precious gift, a piece of a puzzle we're only beginning to assemble. The story of Voyager 2 is our story, a curious species reaching out to touch the cosmos. It has rewritten our textbooks and reshaped our understanding of the solar system. And now, in its twilight years, it continues to send back postcards from the edge of infinity. Everything in the universe wears down, even Voyager 2. Its power comes from a nuclear battery, an RTG, which slowly loses strength each year. Every year the power drops by about 4 watts, less than a refrigerator light. The mission team at NASA is in a constant battle to conserve every last bit of energy. Power is needed for instruments, warmth, and, most crucially, to send data home. It's a delicate balancing act, a cosmic game of resource management. The team has become incredibly resourceful, making tough choices to keep the mission alive. Instruments are turned off, one by one, to extend Voyager 2's life. In late 2023, the plasma science instrument was deactivated. In March 2025, the low-energy charged particle instrument followed. Each shutdown is a strategic sacrifice, buying more time. The hope is to keep Voyager 2 talking to us until at least its 50th anniversary in 2027, maybe longer, but the end is inevitable. One day, there won't be enough power left to send a signal. Voyager 2 will go dark, its voice lost to the silence of space. It will continue its journey, a ghost ship sailing through the Milky Way, its connection to us severed. We are living in the final chapter of one of humanity's greatest adventures. Each message could be its last. The team listens, knowing the end is near. It's a poignant, bittersweet reality, a reminder that even our grandest undertakings are finite. The race against entropy is almost over, but the legacy of Voyager 2 will endure. At NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, a dedicated team holds vigil. They are the guardians of the faint signal, the keepers of the Voyager flame. For them, this is more than a job, it's a lifelong passion. Every day the Voyagers explore a region where no spacecraft has gone before. The team listens with bated breath, their giant antennas aimed at a patch of empty sky. The signal they seek is billions of times weaker than a watch battery. When that faint whisper arrives, it's a moment of triumph, a reaffirmation of our connection to the interstellar frontier. Imagine spending your career communicating with a machine farther away than any human has ever traveled. There is a deep, personal bond between the team and the spacecraft. They are not just managing hardware, they are stewarding a legacy. As long as Voyager 2 has a voice, there will be someone on Earth listening. Their dedication ensures our distant emissary is never truly alone. After their planetary tour, everything Voyager 2 has done is bonus science. As it travels through the interstellar medium, it samples a realm once only theorized. It's our first direct look at the space between stars, heliophysics from the outside looking in. The data is rewriting our understanding of the cosmos. Even with only a few instruments active, Voyager 2 measures cosmic rays and the interstellar magnetic field. It's our lone weather station in the interstellar ocean. The cosmic ray subsystem helped confirm when Voyager crossed into interstellar space. Even engineering data is invaluable for future missions. Every packet of data is a precious jewel. Built to last 5 years, Voyager has lasted nearly 50. It has become our first interstellar ambassador, sending dispatches from a place no human has ever been. This is exploration at its grandest, pushing the boundaries of what we can know. Voyager 2 is teaching us about our galactic home from out in the wild. Powering down Voyager 2's instruments is like watching a dear friend slowly lose their senses. The cameras were turned off decades ago, after Neptune. Since then, shutdowns have targeted scientific instruments one by one to maximize the mission's lifespan. The low-energy charged particle instrument, after millions of rotations, was finally turned off, a testament to its success. Next is the cosmic ray subsystem, our primary tool for understanding galactic particles. Eventually, only the essentials will remain: the magnetometer, plasma wave subsystem, and communications. This slow, deliberate shutdown is a unique chapter in space exploration, a graceful, managed end. It's the final act of a long and beautiful performance in the silent theater of interstellar space. The final years of Voyager are like a symphony, hopeful notes of data followed by long rests of silence. Every day the team strains to hear the spacecraft's weak signal. Each successful transmission is a quiet celebration. Our probe is still alive, but anxiety is ever present. The Voyagers are old and fragile, glitches are more common. In 2023, a mistaken command plunged Voyager 2 into silence for 2 weeks. The world held its breath. Had we lost it? Ingeniously, the team restored contact and the symphony resumed. These moments remind us how tenuous our connection is. One day, a command will be sent and there will be no reply. The long rest will begin, and this time, it will be permanent. The silence will mark the end of humanity's direct exploration of interstellar space, at least for now. Yet, the data collected is a legacy for generations. The hope is that Voyager's silence will be an intermission, not an end. A pause before the next great symphony of exploration begins. Strapped to Voyager 2 is a message, the golden record. It's a time capsule, a greeting card to the cosmos. A gold-plated copper disc, it contains sounds and images to portray the diversity of life on Earth. The brainchild of Carl Sagan's committee, it's our message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. The record begins with greetings in 55 languages, sounds of Earth, and a selection of music from Bach to Chuck Berry. It includes 115 images, scenes of life, mathematical definitions, a galactic map. Instructions show how to play and decode the record. The chances of it being found are infinitesimal, but that's not the point. The golden record reflects our hope to be understood, our desire to share our story. It's an act of profound optimism, a declaration that our music and ideas are worthy of being shared. As Voyager 2 sails into eternity, it carries this hopeful artifact, a piece of our soul on a journey to the stars. It is our message of hope, extended to the universe. Imagine the day of the final transmission. Early 2030's power levels drop below the threshold. The team has done all they can. They gather one last time, listening for Voyager's final whisper from billions of kilometers away. The last data trickles in: plasma density, magnetic fields, cosmic rays. Then the signal weakens, flickers, and is gone. Silence. But in the final packet there's an anomaly, a structured, repeating pattern. It's not scientific data or a known command. The scientists are stunned. It's undeniably artificial, but inexplicable. Is it a malfunction, a cosmic ray, or something else? The revelation is not what the message says, but that it exists at all. It's a final mystery from a mission that gave us so many answers. The last transmission is not an ending, but a new beginning, a puzzle for future generations. Voyager's final whisper hints at wonders we cannot yet comprehend. The silence of Voyager 2 is not the end of its journey. The spacecraft will continue, traveling through the Milky Way for eons. It won't approach another star for 40,000 years. By then, humanity may be changed or gone, but our emissary will still be there. Voyager 2 forces us to think on a cosmic scale. Our lives are fleeting compared to its voyage. It carries our legacy into a future we can barely imagine. Voyager is a symbol of our potential, a reflection of our deepest curiosity. We send probes into the darkness to express who we are and to search for our place in the universe. Voyager 2 is our poem to the cosmos, our song for eternity. As it sails on, it carries a simple, profound message. We were here, we were curious, and we tried to reach you.